Sport. How you can make an impact for these rock star performers on a mission to open young minds through movement. And the Verify team tackles an urban legend. Is it safe to shower when there's lightning outside? The news at 11 starts now. Up first tonight, breaking news, and we're looking at a dangerous weather situation tonight. That nonstop rain we've been seeing means the flood risk is going for a whole lot of our region. Check out this video from a short time ago near Frederick. Carroll Creek overflowing its banks across Shookstown Road. Tonight, what you need to know to keep your family and your home safe. Good evening, I'm Leslie Foster. Our team is ready to bring you reports on what's happening right now, where they are. But first, the big view from the chief, Tom Wjla.
All right, well, we have flood warnings right now, as you mentioned. And here's a look at the radar, and this is over the last 3 hours. And we see everything streaming up from the southwest and northeast. And again, yes, Frederick and points just to the west of Frederick got hit pretty hard once again tonight. We'll zoom in a little bit. So these are the aerial flood warnings, which means exactly that. As Leslie said, streams are out of their banks. This is not a flash flood warning. It's an aerial flood warning. And this one goes until 12:30 for Frederick County. That's in the Maryland side. I'm going to confuse you in a minute and talk about Virginia. And this is where the heavy rain is now, just north of Frederick and then stretching back to the west and southwest, all the way around Maryland 17 and back almost to Martinsburg. And it's sort of been parked there the last hour or so. Further west, now we have another aerial flood warning, and this includes our friends from the city of Winchester and Frederick County, Virginia, as well as Clark County, Frederick County, and Jefferson County in West Virginia. So this means some of the streams in this area are also out of their banks at this hour. So it has not been as widespread or as intense as yesterday, but still the ground is saturated, and anything that falls can lead to flooding. So I want to keep that in mind as we go through the next couple of days. Right now, this is the heaviest rain from 7 northward through Cabletown up toward Charlestown. We're looking at rainfall rates about a ½ an inch per hour, but the problem is they're not moving very fast. If they stay over you for a couple of hours, well, that means you got about an inch of rain, which you don't need. And I was Facebooking a minute ago, and Edwin made a good point. All this rain, trees are going to start coming down, even without much wind as we get into the latter part of the week. Now look at this. This has just popped up in the last hour, and it's been moving through the district. Now it's about to move into lower Montgomery County. Pretty good rainfall right around Silver Spring, East-West Highway, eventually over toward College Park. Everything is moving up to the north, up toward Maryland 355, Wisconsin Avenue, and also out River Road. There are no warnings on this, but please be advised, this also is a dangerous situation with rainfall rates there about 3/4 of an inch per hour. We will come back and we will talk about what's heading our way in a bit.
All right, Top, you just showed us more rain rolling through Frederick, making a major cleanup even worse. Crews are dealing with a bridge, or I guess we should say what used to be a bridge. It carried Jefferson Pike, or Route 180, over the Little Catoctin Creek just southwest of Frederick. Stephanie Ramirez is there live tonight. And Stephanie, tonight's rain did not help.
Yeah, Leslie, just before tonight's downpour, we saw MDOT crews trying to haul away those loose pieces of the guardrail. I'm talking heavy metal slabs, and we'll show you what's left of the scene here today. And as heavy as those pieces were, I could tell you some of them were easily swept away downstream hundreds of yards. This is why the flooding last night on Route 80, Jefferson Pike Bridge, that is, the rush of water left the overpass mangled and in pieces. The pavement buckled in some places. In other spots, it was just lifted and ripped away. It doesn't look like this area flooded the same tonight, but we did see Carroll Creek rise and close a roadway. That's how powerful last night's storm was, and a perfect example of why we all need to take these storm warnings seriously. Now, MDOT tells me they're going to need more than a week to fix the bridge here, and I can tell you in other places the area of Frederick got hit so hard that today the mayor announced a local state of emergency to help with aid. People here, though, the concerns are very high as to what is going to come tomorrow. On Jefferson Pike, 180 tonight, Stephanie Ramirez, WUSA 9.
All right, Steph, thanks.
I'm John Henry here in Brunswick, Maryland, where commuters will once again have to put up with another day of life without the MARC train. We told you about how Tuesday's strong storms washed out tracks along this commuter line. Well, take a look at these newly released photos provided by the state. Here you can see the impact of that washout under the tracks. Rush